I'm going to show you how to sign in Windows with Microsoft account. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get this done, first of all you need to go to your Windows settings. You will come down here, then click on search, then search for settings, then click on open, then you will come to accounts. Then it will land you on this page. So once you are here, you are going to click on sign in with Microsoft account instead. So just click on that. Then this pop-up will come up. So you need to enter your email of your Microsoft account. So I'm going to do that. And if you do not have a Microsoft account, you need to click on create one. But for me, as you can see, I have one, so I'm going to use this one. So once you enter the email of your Microsoft account, you just need to click on next. So just click on send code. Then I'll go to my email, I will copy the code and I will come and paste it here. So I'll do that. So I'll just enter this code here. Then click on sign in. You'll be required to enter your current Windows password. So I'm going to enter the password. Then click on next. So once you've done that, you'll be required to use Windows Hello to finish setting up your Microsoft account on this device. So you just click on next. Then enter your PIN. This is also your Windows password. You need to enter that to verify. So I'm going to enter that. Then as you can see guys, it has been switched from local to your Microsoft account. So that's simply it guys. That's how you can sign in your Windows using your Microsoft account. Now if you found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.